This is classrooms there. So this room I've completed. This is another room, another classroom. So remember this classroom. Remember this classroom. That's working on it, sir. We have started the classroom now, sir. We don't finish them, sir. We don't finish them reach end. So we remain the classroom, sir. And tomorrow we continue. 32 carton of ties come out from store. That's what we will bring out this morning first. 32 carton of ties and 11 bag of cement. So this is the former cement where remain. We have 9 bag before that 25 bag, right? So everything here now 17 bag will remain.
You go cover my own.
This is the new one where they bring.
They never pack finish. When they finish. No, be you.
This is the new one where they bring, and I see they offload.
No, take this one.
This is our own former one where remain. 17 bag. So the cement, the 50 bag they bring this morning are complete, sir. This is 22 bag here. 22 bag. Then this side, 24 bag. 24 bag here. Then they have 4. They are carried from the former one we have to start the work. So we have 4 outside with the 50, 24 plus 22 and 4 outside. That's 50 bag. They will carry 11 bag from store, 11 bag of cement from store. This is 2 bag missing. This is 3 bag missing. And they have another one that side. They miss 1 bag, that's 4 bag. This is the remaining one. Then 1 that side to miss. So all the cement coming out from store today, now 11 bag of cement and 32 carton of ties. One class is almost done for the ties work.